Fundamentals of Chinese 1, Unit 2, asking about someone's nationality. Understand it. So you should have watched the video first and try to ascertain some of its meaning. And now we're going to go through the explanation of the dialogue. You can turn in your book to pages 27 and 28. This dialogue is in Chinese characters on page 27 and in pinyin on page 28. So you can take notes as we go along. Pause during this video if you need to think about what you just learned or to take notes in your book. Let's begin. In our dialogue, it opens up with Leo saying, Wang 先生, 你是老师吗? Okay, so let's focus on 是. 是 here. 是 means to be. Now 是 has a lot of other meanings, but in this case it means to be. Here are two examples. 你是老师, you are a teacher. 我是老师, I am a teacher. So in this first sentence, Leo asks, 王先生, 你是老师吗? Mr. Wang, are you a teacher? Okay. So let's look at this ma. You saw this briefly in the last unit. Ma is a character that's added at the end of a statement to make it a question. And you can look on page 29, number 5 in your textbook if you want to review this or read more about the use of ma. Here are two examples. We have two statements here. The first one, 你是老师, are you a teacher? I'm sorry, 你是老师, you are a teacher. And then by adding ma at the end of it, it turns it into the question, are you a teacher? 你是老师吗? And then here we have another statement, 你姓王, your last name is Wang. And then by adding ma to it, we come up with the question, is your last name Wang? In English, the statement is, your last name is Wang. And then we want to make it into a question. We put this is, take it from here. Let me just bring it over there so you can see it. So in English, we make a statement, your last name is Wang. Let's pretend that's not there. Your last name is Wang. And when we want to turn a statement into a question, we can take the is and move it to the beginning of the sentence, add a question mark, and then we have, is your last name Wang? In Chinese, you just take the statement, 你姓王, your last name is Wang, and we add ma on it, and it turns it into the question, is your last name Wang? Let's move on. So Leo asked Wang Peng if he was a teacher. So Wang Peng responds by saying, 我不是老师. Okay? So we'll focus on this in a little bit. But 老师 means teacher. Okay, so Leo asks Wang Peng if he is a teacher. Wang Peng responds by saying, 我不是老师. Okay, so you know, without this bu here, you have 我是老师, I am a teacher. This bu makes any statement with 是 into a negative statement. It basically means not, or am not, or are not, is not. 不是. So Wang Peng says, 我不是老师, I am not a teacher. So bu is used to negate 是. You can read more about it on page 31, number 6. I've created a question here with an answer. Wang Peng 是老师吗? Is Peng Wang a teacher? Wang Peng 不是老师. Peng Wang is not a teacher. Then here we have 你姓王吗? Is your last name Wang? 我不姓王. My last name is not Wang. Notice that 不 is a fourth character, a fourth tone character, so it's pronounced very sharply and falling. 不. But whenever 不 appears before 是 or any other verb that is a falling fourth tone, then 不 is changed into the second tone. So we don't say 不是, we say 不是. And we don't say 不姓, we say 不姓. Wang Peng 不是老师. 我不姓王. Okay, so in Wang Peng's response, he says, 我不是老师,我是学生,你呢? So we've already seen this. 老师 is teacher. 学生 is student. 学生. So Leo asks Wang Peng if he's a teacher by saying, 王先生,你是老师吗? And Wang responds by saying, 我不是老师,我是学生,你呢? I am not a teacher. I am a student. How about you? Okay.